Welcome back to kiarabharris. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Today I wanted to come show you guys how I plan to rock my box braids with shaved sides, and these styles are going to be legit the styles that I only plan on rocking. Plenty of styles out there, but it's certain ones that I know that I rock for sure. So if you guys are interested in this video, stay tuned and let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Those are all the styles that I plan on rocking with my braids and shaved sides. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.